Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do face tracking in Davinci Resolve just like this. So first of all, we're gonna open up a Davinci Resolve, and then we're gonna go to your timeline and select a clip that you want to track, and then we're gonna open up a Fusion tab right here. So first of all, we're gonna press Shift and Space, and there we have to type in tracker, and which I already did. And then first of all, we're gonna drag your clip to the beginning spot, so we're gonna track from the beginning to the end. So we're gonna go to adaptive mode over here, press best match, and then we're gonna select our subject, make sure, and then click render. Now we're gonna wait for render, and then we continue after that. Alright, so the rendering is done, and now we're gonna go to operation over here and select match move, and then we're gonna go to merge, select BG only. So you can see it's done already, and then we're gonna go back to timeline. As you can see right here, the black parts that we want to get rid of it. So what we're gonna do is zoom in close to the subject over here. Yes, just like that. There we go. Now it's tracking. So that was it. That's pretty simple and easy. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any question. I can actually help you. See you in the next one.